Hey YouTube, it's G-Baby here from Team Rice and Burgers. Bringing you today a deck profile of my wind-up deck. It's for the March 2013 format. And it did pretty good. I tested it once at locals so far. Went 3-1 in Swiss and then lost in the first round of tops. So yeah, let's get right into it. First we'll have our monsters. Triple Rabbit, Triple Shark, Triple Rat, pretty standard, our single Magician, and one Warrior, two Tour Guide, and one Brotherhood of Firefist Bear. This is really good, just another tanky target and gives me spot removal when I need it. Next we have our spells. Triple Factory. No reason to play any less than 3 of this card. Get you whatever monsters you need. 3 Fire Formation Tenki. Search out those rabbits and my bear. 2 Pod Duality. 1 Pot of Avarice. The Trinity, Dark Hole. Heavy, Reborn. And triple MST. Next we have our trap lineup. Got double Torrential, double Bottomless, and double Fiendish. 1 Mirror Force, 1 Compulsory, and our Solemn Duo. Then we got our tech spells. Got 1 Mind Crush. Really good this format. Every good deck searches, so why not hit them game 1. Trap Stun. This card does a lot of work for me. Lets me get my combos off and go for game. And the huge revolution is over. People ask me why not run Starlight Road. I like the Huge Revolution a lot better. I don't really have extra deck space for Starlight Road for the target Stardust. And also, Huge Revolution is a counter spell, so can't chain to it. And it can also hit Scrap Dragon or Diamond Direwolf when, yeah. Next we have our extra deck. Our rank 3s, Soul of Silver Mountain, really good for hitting those D prisons and mirror forces, or just bait out any other traps they have waiting for me. Leviair, Zenmaines, Leviathan, MX Saver Invoker. This card brings out my warrior and lets me pull off a lot of plays, a lot of Shockmaster plays, rank 5 plays. Now we have our rank 4s. Photon Pappy, Maystroke, Utopia, Shockmaster, and Diamond Direwolf. Diamond Direwolf is just amazing with a rabbit on the field. Or a rat and a rabbit. You can target the rat. Then chain rabbit, banish the rat, bring it next turn, their card still gets destroyed. Our rank 5s. Crimson Shadow Armor Ninja. This is a really good first turn play over Tiras or, yeah. Can't be destroyed by battle.